Hello everyone, welcome to this series of science lessons. In this presentation, we will study about weather, climate, and adaptations of animals to climate. Do you remember the things that you were asked to pack when we were heading for a hill station? In hill stations, generally in winter and monsoon seasons, the sky is cloudy and it is too cold. Your parents insist that you carry an umbrella and sweaters as well to protect from cold weather. So, what is this weather and what is climate? Now, let us discuss these topics in this presentation. Weather. In newspapers, we have observed the weather report. The weather report looks something like this: maximum temperature, minimum temperature, when the sunset happens, when sunrise happens, when moonset happens, when moonrise happens, and so many other parameters. We find that daily weather report carries information about the temperature, humidity, rainfall during past 24 hours. It also predicts the weather for the day. Humidity is a measure of moisture in the air. It is a measure of water content in the air. Who prepares these reports? The reports are prepared by India Meteorological Department, by the government. This department collects data on temperature, wind, humidity, and so many other factors and so many other parameters, and also predict the weather. Let us take a live example. This is from India Meteorological Department by Government of India. You can visit this website by Government of India, mausam.imd.gov.in for more information. Now let us see a live example. In Bengaluru, the temperature presently, the current temperature is 26 degrees Celsius, and wind and direction of the wind is coming from southwest direction to northeast direction, and the velocity of the wind is 3.6 km per hour. While recording this presentation, the weather outside is cloudy and there is 72% probability that rain will happen today. Rainfall is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. It is basically a measuring cylinder with funnel on top to collect rainwater. This is the standard rain gauge used to measure how many millimeters of rain happened in that day or that given duration. Do all 7 days have the same maximum and minimum temperatures, humidity and rainfall and other factors? The maximum and minimum temperatures recorded may be same for some days. However, all parameters are not same for any two given days. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed and many other parameters is called weather at that place. We are mentioning that weather at that given particular place, not to all places. Weather may vary in a given city. Say for instance, there might be raining in one part of Bangalore while in another part the weather is sunny. The temperature, humidity and other factors are called the elements of the weather. Do you know how temperatures are recorded? Temperatures are recorded with a special thermometers for this purpose called maximum and minimum thermometers. Can you guess when during the day we have the maximum temperature and when do we have the minimum temperature? The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs generally in early morning. Climate. Meteorologists record the weather every day. The records of weather have been preserved for several decades. The everyday reports are recorded for several decades, for tens of years. These helps us to determine the weather pattern at a given place. We cannot generalize weather for all places. The average weather pattern taken over a long time, say for 25 to 30 years, is called the climate of the place. Weather and climate are two different things. Of course, they are related to each other. The everyday weather data collected for over many years constitutes a climate in that place. Now let us see table 7.2 and 7.3. We have given with the climatic conditions at two places in India. The mean temperature for a given month is found in two steps. First, find the average of temperatures recorded during the month. Take everyday temperature from day 1 of a month to last day of the month. Take the temperature and divide it by 30. Second, we calculate the average of such average temperature over many years. In the first year, say for instance January 2020, we have taken the average of January 2020. In the next year of January 2020, again we take the average. And in the next year, that is 2022, we take the average of January. This pattern follows for so many years. Second, we calculate the average of such average temperatures over many years. That gives us mean temperature. You can see in the table, two places are given: Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir and Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. Month January to December. Daily minimum temperature, daily maximum temperature, mean total rainfall. You can see in Jammu and Kashmir, in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, temperature is relatively low. The average temperature is relatively low. Whereas in Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala, the average temperature is relatively high. We can say that Kerala is very hot and wet in comparison to Jammu and Kashmir. We can also get similar data from western region of India, say for example Rajasthan. When we see the data, the temperature data and rainfall data in Rajasthan, we will observe that temperature is high during most part of the year. But during winter, which only lasts for a few months, the temperature is quite low. This region receives very little rainfall. This is a typical desert climate, which is hot and dry. Whereas in majority of northeastern part of India receives rain for major part of the year. Therefore, we can say that the climate of northeast region of India is wet. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore, under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.